Aryan Khan, the son of Bollywood megastar Shah Rukh Khan and producer Gauri, and two others were arrested on Sunday by the Narcotics Control Bureau in connection with the rave party busted aboard a luxury cruise ship. The star's son and two others, who were among 8, including 2 girls detained by the NCB since morning, are likely to be produced before a magistrate court shortly. They were taken for a medical examination to a government hospital, but the NCB has not yet made any official statement on the latest development. The action came after the NCB's dramatic swoop on Saturday evening aboard the Cordelia Cruises deluxe ship as it was preparing for a scheduled Mumbai-Goa voyage, stunning the people especially in the entertainment industry. 8 were detained initially, including Aryan Khan, Arbaz Merchant, Manman Dhamacha, Nupur Sarika, Ismeet Singh, Mohak Jaswal, Vikrant Chokar and Gomit Chopra. Of these, Mohak, Nupur and Gomit are from Delhi. Mohak and Nupur are both fashion designers while Gomit is a hairstylist. In the first of its kind operation on a cruise ship, the NCB swooped onto the rave party being held on the cruise ship off the Mumbai coast. DG Pradhan told IANS that they were investigating this drug racket for the past 2 weeks. The participation for the rave party where NCB conducted raid on Saturday was reportedly done via social media with the ticket rates upwards of 75,000 rupees per person. To avoid detection, the NCB sleuths booked themselves on that cruise as ordinary passengers and they soon found some of their co-passengers consuming drugs. Then the NCB launched its full-scale raid, detained 8 passengers including 2 women consuming drugs and seized different types of narcotics in varying quantities. Simultaneously, the cruise ship was ordered to turn and sail back to the ICT at Ballad Pier, where the detained passengers were offloaded along with their baggage. However, the Cordelia Cruises on Sunday categorically distanced itself from the rave party raided by the Narcotics Control Bureau, creating a sensation in the hospitality and tourism industry. Jurgen Bailum, CEO and President Waterways Leisure Tourism Private Limited, which operates a fleet of luxury ships, said, "I wish to express that Cordelia Cruises is in no way directly or indirectly connected to this incident." Cordelia Cruises had chartered its ship for a private event to a Delhi-based event management company. He said that Cordelia Cruises is extremely mindful of providing wholesome entertainment to families who choose to travel with us. But this incident is contrarian and far from the culture that Cordelia Cruises represents. We at Cordelia Cruises condemn all acts such as these and will strictly refrain from letting our ship out for similar events in the future. Nonetheless, Cordelia Cruises is extending our full support and cooperating with the authorities, Bailum assured. The statement came hours after the Narcotics Control Bureau carried out its first ever raid on a luxury cruise liner and detained at least 8 persons. The incident, which stunned people around the country, has also been condemned by top political leaders who have demanded stringent action against those found guilty. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.